In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a Kaggle account. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open Kaggle, you want to go to the top right and click on your profile icon, and then you want to go into settings. Inside settings, you want to switch over to the account tab, which should be selected by default as well. And then down here, you can see you can do a phone verification, which for me, I can't do it again because I've done this already. But for you, if you haven't, you'll be able to press the button over here and just get through with your phone verification. And then you have the identity verification here as well. And if you want to verify your Kaggle account, you want to click on verify my account over here, and then you'll have to continue to persona. And then in here, it's going to basically guide you step by step on how to verify your account. So as you can see, I can select the language, click on begin verifying, and then it's going to say get started or continue on other device. And that's because sometimes, of course, if your camera is not working on your laptop or something like this, then you'll basically just have to use the phone, okay? So it's going to be, of course, available. You can click on over here. You'll be able to continue on another device or click on get started, and it's going to basically prompt you to give it your camera access. And whenever you do that, you'll be able to essentially, of course, get your account verified just like this. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.